Now the next task for you is build habit session for day 30. So what you have to do today, you have to set specific goals. Setting specific goals means you have to aim at something. Here what you have to aim, you have to set measurable goals such as learning 50 words. Like you can count few words that you learned in one particular week or one particular month. Like you can learn few words a day, and again tomorrow you can learn another set of words. Likewise, you have to learn new words and make it a target, like I'll reach this much words, or I will learn these much words in this month, and I'll understand the meaning. I'll make it in my daily conversation. All those things you can make it possible. Okay, so do that. Like you can set specific goals, and you can track your progress also. How you can track your progress? You can try using it in your daily conversations, and if you are going good or if you are doing it well, you can reward yourself. You can gift yourself something. Okay, and that time your mind itself will be happy. You will be happy and you will get motivated. Okay, so you can do that. Today I'll be giving you a set of words. As usual, I'll be giving you another set of words. Today I'll be giving you 6 more words, and the first word is thank. Thank means to express gratitude. Whenever someone is helping us with something, or some favor someone is doing to us, you can thank them, right? Or someone is gifting you something, you can thank them. See the examples. I want to thank you for your support. You are welcome. And one person is telling that, thank you for your support. You have supported me so much. So I'm really thankful to you. So that person is telling thank you to another person, and the listener is telling you are welcome, or you are always welcome. See the next example. She thanked him for the lovely gift. One boy has gifted a girl, let it be his girlfriend or something, and he gifted her with some good gifts or very cute gifts, and she is thanking him for the lovely gift. And what he is telling in return, that's so kind of her. He is also feeling so cute, or so kind of her. That is the reply from the boy when the girl thanked him for that gift. Now the next word is binge watch. Binge watch means to watch multiple episodes of a show in one sitting. If we are sitting along with our friends and watching a film, and again we are putting another film, and again we are putting another film, like that, one after the another we are watching films after films. So that means binge watching. Let it be like watching series or like that. That also we can consider it like that. Examples are, I binge watched an entire season of my favorite show last night. One person is telling that last night I watched a series of one particular show, and that was very nice, or that was my favorite one. And the person is replying, the listener is telling that, wow, that's your dedication. That's your dedication that you show towards your favorite show. And the next example is, let's binge watch some movies this weekend. Some friends or some people are discussing among their group, their friends group, that let's sit this weekend and watch some new movies one after the another. As I told in the example, like that, we can sit and watch a series of movies. And what the people are telling, what the listeners are telling, sounds like a great plan. Yeah, that is a nice idea. That is a very nice idea. There is no hard work in that, no workload in that. You can sit peacefully, have some snacks and juice, and we can converse each other, and we can watch the film. That is the meaning of binge watching. Now the next word is expect. What do you mean by expect? Expect means to think or believe something will happen, that we are expecting, that is, this thing is going to happen, or this will be happening in the future. That is what we are expecting. Okay. And the examples include, I expect the meeting to finish by 5 p.m. One person is expecting, or one person is thinking that the meeting will get over by 5 p.m. and he is telling to other person also, and what the other person is telling, let's hope so, let's think like that it will be getting finished by 5 p.m. Okay, so the next example is, he expects a positive outcome, and that's optimistic. One person is telling that like our friend or our relative is expecting a positive result or positive outcome. Expecting means waiting to come or waiting to hear that waiting for such a thing to happen. So that is expecting, and the other person is telling, yeah, positive expectation is optimistic, that we have to be optimistic always. That is the meaning of optimistic. Now the next usage is kill time. Kill time, that is the usage, and the meaning is to do something to pass time while waiting. Whenever we are waiting for something, let it be we are going to fly and we are waiting in the launch to enter into the before entering into the aircraft, we'll be having some waiting time. Now, like if it is long waiting time, we'll be taking the launch and we'll be sitting there, and while that time we'll be just going through few hours of time, right? So that time we'll be doing something, that is skill time. That is skill time. Actually we are doing something to get over from that particular period of time, that is kill time. And examples include, we played card games to kill time at airport. That is, we played card game in order to what pass time. We played card games, we played with cards, and that sounds fun. That really sounds fun. And the example, another example is, how do you usually kill time during long commutes? That means some person is asking another person, how are you spending your time, or how are you engaging, getting engaged, if you get free time, a long free time, what will you do? And what the other person is replying, I listen to podcasts, I usually listen to podcasts, that's what I am doing. Now the next word for you is hangout, and it's a familiar word only, and the meaning is to spend time with friends or family socially. That is, hangout means going out, having food, and enjoying with the family, friends or relatives. That is hangout. And let's see the examples. Do you want to hang out this weekend? One person is asking to his friend that, do you want to hang out this weekend? And what the other person is replying, sure, let's plan something fun. Let's plan something funny and go out and have food, have fun, have and chill. Okay. And the next example given here is, we hung out at the park for hours yesterday. That sounds relaxing. One team is telling to another team that we hung out, or that we went out and spent so much of time in the park yesterday. And the listener is telling, yeah, that sounds relaxing. That is quite relaxing. That sounds what you got peace. That's what the listener is telling. Now, the next word for you is catch up. Catch up means to meet or talk to someone to find out what they have been doing. Catch up means what's very simple. Let's catch up. We'll tell like that, right? That is to talk or meet to someone to find out what they have been doing, what they have been doing since this time, what they have been doing. We'll be asking that when we meet them, that is when we catch up them, we'll be asking them what all things you were doing these much times, how are you, how is your family, all those things. Let's see examples. Let's grab coffee and catch up soon. Let's like what, grab, have, finish coffee and catch up soon. Let's meet soon. That's a great idea. That's a very nice idea the listener or the person who hears this thing is telling. And the next example, we finally caught up after years of being apart. That means like we were staying far in faraway places, and after 5 years, or after any years, after some years, we met, or we are meeting, and the listener is telling that how wonderful it is. Oh, it's amazing. It's awesome. That meetup will be awesome. That is what the listener is telling. Here comes the vocabulary activity for you. You have given 6 new words here. The words are listed here. You can make 6 sentences using these words, and you can record the sentences as audio, and also you can write and send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected. Don't miss this task. This is a very compulsory task to be followed.